everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be creating my own modern vase that is somewhat like this style, and I'll be using an old Olive Garden bowl and a plastic pail that I've had for a while. I don't know where I got it from, but the texture that I'm going to be using or creating is this texture using leftover paint and baking soda. So if you'd like to see how I put this together, then just keep watching. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Now let's get started. I decided to cut the lip off of the bowl. It looks better. I also textured the inside of the bowl as well because you could see through it, you know, the bottom. So I decided to do the texturing on the inside of the bowl, and I just love the way this came out. Again, an old Olive Garden plastic bowl, and it's sturdy. And then the plastic pail, again, I don't know where I got that from. I keep a lot of stuff And then here are my eggs. They're actually real eggs, but I punched the hole in the bottom, and then there's a pinhole at the top. You'll be able to see on the other egg that I pick up that you blow the yolk through. See that tiny little pinhole? You blow the yolk through. Now I did that to these eggs about a year or two ago, and I just put them up and they lasted me. You can even do this and color them if you'd like, but I just love the way the whole thing turned out. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.